What's up, y'all? It's your girl BLUJAY, back with another video.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No.
Let's get into it. So a lot of people were asking me to do my wig install with this new wig I got, and I actually have the time to. I don't look ugly or greasy today. I kind of did good on my braids. Then I got like lazy right here. Like you can tell, like you can tell. But yeah, so we're gonna hop right into it. I will definitely be posting where I got this from down below. It is a 20-inch actually, and when I first got it I was like, nah, no way. So the main product we using today is got to be glue, because I like to,
oh my god, what is that?
take that off immediately, child. There we go, y'all. This way much better, you know. When my eyes said, I felt that. Now I look like I'm ready to rob banks. Alright guys, so I pretty much stopped talking after this part, but I'm pretty much just cutting holes in my air part so I can see where I need to lay my lace down at, and that's pretty much it. See you guys.
I just wanna sleep right in this night. Competitions make me so tight. Not, it's not a place to rest my body. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Both so hot, but that is not my pleasure. Please, anybody makes a night for me. Tired as fuck, I need a rest some more. Out of keeping intentions, not easy to me. Yeah. 천재의 삶인 것보다 생각 없는 행복한 바보가 되길 원해. 매일 밤마다는 싸워 이기고 다시 지고 이기고 다시 지고 생각은 악마가 되고 난 내 몸 안에 리듬들을 꽂히고 또 You gotta work, gotta work. Gotta write these pages over the night, over the night, over the night, and over the night. 내가 이 찢어지는 꿈을 꿔 매일 날 달래던 그 손에 땀이 흥건해도 닦아줄 수조차 없어. 가짜 같은 한 시간도 진짜 같은 꿈을 꾸고 비명소리와 잠에서 깨. Still I lost you, lost you, lost you. sleep in this night. Competitions make me so tight. No, it's not a place to rest my body. Both so hot, but that is not my pleasure. Please, anybody makes a night for me. Tired as fuck, I need a rest some more. Too out of keeping intentions, out of keeping intentions. Not easy to me, yeah. 천재의 삶인 것보다 생각 없는 행복한 바보가 되길 원해. 매일 밤 나가는 싸워 이기고 다시 지고 이기고 다시 지고 생각은 악마가 되고 난 내 몸 안에 믿음들을 꽂히고 또 You gotta work, gotta work. Gotta write these pages over the night, over the night, over the night, and over the night. 내 꿈이 찢어지는 꿈을 꿔 매일 날 달래던 그 손에 땀이 한건에도 닦아줄 수조차 수갑차 같은 한시간도 진짜 같은 꿈을 꾸고 비명소리와 잠에서 깨 Still I lost you, lost you, lost you.
And if love is in the air, then I think I'm suffocating. If life just isn't fair, then just take what you can make of it. I'll take extra care, cause my mind is just degrading my life, my life. And if love can make you scared, then I think you'll never want it. If all my friends were here, they'd be saying shit's ironic, cause all my love is gone and I can't stay awake in the night, the light. And darling, maybe it's harder than that, but I can barely put up with the act that you've been playing. My mind is degrading my life, my life. For men, they fall so easy into your arms, but fucking can't fix a broken heart. It's amazing what love will make me say. And yeah, I think about it. I've been counting down the days till you're gone. I think I hate it when I'm seeing you, and man, I don't know, feelings fading. You never thought the distance would grow, oh no. So darling, close your eyes and turn around. The Friday nights get brighter with you in town. The morning's never coming on the day that you found the hatred in the happiness you told me about. So stay and hold all your memories close. We take a note that we faked the whole damn thing, and you bet that I'm not happy to say that I'm fed up with all the things in the day that I've messed up, that I've messed up.
노을 같은 너의 그 입술이 바다 같은 너의 그 입술이 내겐 어떤 별보다 이쁘지 너에게로 이어지는 기분이 Can you be my la 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 굳이 어떤 식으로 널 정의하지 않을 거야 우린 규정들을 멀리하지 그래 보고 싶어 나는 너의 그대로를 너는 그런 내 마음 안에 있는데 넌 너무 예뻐 이미 다 알잖아 늑대들의 눈빛이 너를 향해 가잖아 넌 내게 어떤 환상도 줄 수 있어 이제 내 옆에 와도 토막에 두껍게 이제 맞아줘 아찔하게 노을 같은 너의 그 입술이 바다 같은 너의 그 입술이 내겐 어떤 별보다 이쁘지 너에게로 이어지는 기분이 Can you be my la 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 너가 내게 왔을 때 난 말해 너무 겨워 너가 있었으면 내 옆에 항상 말야 작은 이빨이 오목조목한 얘기를 만들어 입술에 결 따라 흐르네 yeah. 우리가 언제나 이렇게 좋을 수 있다면 뭐라도 다 하겠어 너 입술이 내 볼에 도장을 남기면 난 멋있게 말하겠어 너는 내 여자고 우린 이제 구름 위로 가 내일 아침까지 흘러가 노을 같은 너의 그 입술이 바다 같은 너의 그 입술이 내겐 어떤 별보다 이쁘지 너에게로 이어지는 기분이 Can you be my la 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 너와 있고 싶어 오늘 밤이 다가도록 yeah, 목을 안고 있어도 돼 노을이 지도록 yeah. 넌 너무 예뻐 yeah. 오늘은 하루 종일 옆에 있어줘 너를 만나고 내가 많이 변한 것 같아 내 말이 뭐냐면 우리가 나눈 모든 기억들이 너무나 귀하고 너가 소중하다는 말이야 우리가 누구보다도 아름다운 사이가 되기를 원해 앞으로가 중요하다는 너의 말에 고개를 노을 같은 너의 그 입
Can you what? Yeah, come here. This is my baby sister, Jada. She's very pretty, isn't she?
Your hair smells like bleach.
Yeah, I know, because I've dyed it too many times. And plus, if y'all do not want it smelling that way, I recommend to use milk and honey on it right after. I don't have any on me right now, so I'm gonna put some moisturizer in it, and then we could get rid of that smell.
But it's soft. Oh. Oh, by the way, here's a purple wig.
Thank you. I'll put that over this one.
Like now?
No, not right now.
Move.
Oh my god, what is that?
Things. And then I'm gonna put a little bit
Oh my
more
god!
here.
What is that?
And right here. Like, y'all actually made me get on my channel and post something. Y'all really think y'all had the guts to do that? Goodbye, child.
They did.
They actually made me, they were like, nah, you thought you were getting a get out of jail free card? Get on here and do what you gotta do. It literally looks like my real hair. Can I help you?
Yes, sure. That does not look like your real hair. Your real hair, it's black.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright guys, but this is how I install my wigs. Look at that.
Yeah.
You can see the
Yeah.
lace, but I don't really
Yeah.
care. You can see
Yeah.
the lace. Alright.
No! God!
Yeah. Wait, hold on. I
No!
want to see if I
God,
can do.
please, no! 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 No!
Are you done?
Yes, I'm done.
Okay. Well, guys, like I said,
What it is? What's up? What's up?
it's your... Can I even do my own outro? Get out! Like I said, it's your girl BLUJAY, back with another video, and I'll see you next time on my channel.
No, 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 no.
Y'all are just bullies. Do y'all know this? Like, my family just bullies me. It's...
Yeah. Blue, green, and a little bit of black.
Stop! Fuck up. Yeah. Anyways, it's your girl BLUJAY. It's your girl BLUJAY, and I'll see you next time on my channel.
Yeah, it's BLUJAY.
BLUJAY out.